my name is Jessica and I was generated using Pika Labs. In an exciting collaboration with ElevenLabs, Pika introduced a groundbreaking lip-sync feature for images and video which is half-hearted at best. Let's see why.
Oh my god.
I'll be damned.
Is this real?
Pika now supports LipSync.
And it is truly spectacular.
Wait, hold up. These things can talk?
For real?
What kind of dark sorcery is this?
Mon Dieu, j'entends une voix.
Well, I'm officially speechless.
Giddy up.
Wow. Don't get me wrong, friends. I am a big fan of Pika. As a proud Pro subscriber, I was pumped to try out their new lip sync feature. But I've got to be honest, it's not quite hitting the mark yet, especially with giants like DID, HeyGen, and OpenAI's Sora setting the bar high. Stick with me as I walk you through my experience, highlighting what works and what could use a bit of a tweak. It's important to note that this feature is currently exclusive to Pro users. But hang tight, because a broader release is on the horizon. Let's dive in and see what's up with Pika's latest feature. Alright, let's jump into my Pika Labs account and see what this lip sync feature is all about. I'm going to browse through the video library to find something interesting for our test. Here's an animated character riding a bike, perfect for our experiment. Now, I'm hitting the edit button, and lo and behold, there's a shiny new lip sync button right there. But wait, there's a tooltip here advising best results with a human face. And here's where the first hiccup occurs. Unlike tools like Lalamoo that can sync almost anything, Pika seems a bit limited. And to be honest, this doesn't quite match up with the magic they promised in their launch video. A bit of a letdown, but hey, let's give it a shot anyway and see how it goes. Now, let's hit that lip sync button and dive into the options. If you're familiar with ElevenLabs, these voice choices might ring a bell. I'm going to type in the text for our voiceover, but oh no, it's a no-go. It just won't work. And I'm pretty sure it's not a browser issue. I've tried multiple ones, even logged out and back in. Fingers crossed they sort this out before the full rollout. On the bright side, you can upload your own voiceover from ElevenLabs, which is a relief. I have a clip ready to go, so I'll upload that and hit generate. Oddly, the dialog box doesn't close automatically, so I'll just manually close it and move on. After a short wait, Pika hits me with another hiccup. It can't detect a face because, well, my character isn't human, just as we suspected. It's a bit of a letdown, seeing the mismatch between what's marketed and what the product can actually do. Now, let's dive into how I crafted the talking AI avatar that kicked off our video. I chose an image of a woman in a professional suit, seated in a TV studio, created using Midjourney. You're welcome to use any platform that suits you. As you'll notice, I've run a series of experiments to bring you these insights. Honestly, unless you're aiming for quick 3-second clips, utilizing a talking animated avatar might not be worth it. So, my goal was to produce at least 15 seconds of audio that wouldn't result in awkward limb movements. This is where precise negative prompting is key. I needed clear, sharp visuals without any distortion or blurriness. I started with my base image, adjusting the canvas to a 16:9 aspect ratio for optimal viewing. Satisfied with the setup, I then added a 4-second zoom in-out effect and dolly to each segment. This resulted in a seamless 15-second studio clip. Next, I moved to ElevenLabs to craft my voiceover. With the audio ready, I proceeded to the lip sync feature, uploaded my voiceover, and hit generate. And there you have it, my friends, the end result.
In an exciting collaboration with ElevenLabs, Pika introduced a groundbreaking lip sync feature for images and video which is half-hearted at best. Let's see why.
This journey leaves me with lingering questions. For instance, how does the system handle scenes with multiple faces? will Pika eventually facilitate the creation of longer videos, bypassing the cumbersome 4-second increments that currently pose a challenge, especially when trying to match AI-generated voiceovers perfectly within such brief snippets. It's a step forward, no doubt, but there's still a significant gap between expectation and reality that needs bridging.